So hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can download Hytale in your PC or laptop in 2026. So let's get started. In order to do this, what you have to do is open Microsoft Edge or any web browser you like. For my case, I'm using Microsoft Edge. Once you open your browser, you have to just search for Hytale and hit enter. Once you do this, just click on this first link which appears here. Just click on this, and here as you can see, this is saying to purchase it, but we don't have to purchase this. We just have to click on this download button. Once you do this, here you can download for Windows. If you're on Windows, go for Windows. If you're on Mac, just click for Mac OS. If you're on Linux, just click on Linux. As you can see, I clicked on Mac, so it download the DMG file, which often is for Mac OS. So if you want to download for Linux, just click on this. If you want to download for Mac OS, just click on this. And if you want to download for Windows, just click on Windows. As you can see, I clicked on Windows and it is downloading exe file, which means this is for Windows. Once this is done, just click on this file. It will open like this. Just click on yes, and as you can see, the launcher setup has been opened. Just click on next, and here you can browse the location where you want to install your game, and just keep hitting next, and in the end it will ask you to install, and just you have to just click on install. And once you do that, the game would be installed in your PC or laptop or anywhere, and it will be sent here on your desktop. So yes, this is how you can download Hytale on your PC and laptop in 2026. So yes, this is it for today's video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, and thanks for watching.